In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create amazing full animated stories using Midjourney. Step-by-step tutorial. We'll build a short, cohesive story by generating 3 animated scenes in Midjourney and then assembling them in CapCut so it flows like a mini film. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and click the official Midjourney website from the results. Once you're on the site, navigate to the Explore section and make sure you're viewing the Video tab so your prompts generate animated clips rather than still images. We'll create 3 connected moments featuring the same character for visual continuity. For the first scene, craft a prompt focused on the introduction of the world and the hero. Type something like, generate a video in anime style of a small, cute exploration robot waking up in a glowing sunrise desert. Bright, expressive blue eyes, golden sand drifting, warm light, cinematic anime shading, soft outlines, emotional and adventurous tone. Keep the phrasing clear and descriptive so the mood, lighting, and style stay consistent. Submit the prompt and give it a moment to render. For the second scene, we move the story forward with discovery. Use a prompt like, generate a video in anime style of a small robot discovering a glowing holographic map in the sand. Neon blue symbols appear with anime sparkles, soft desert breeze, vibrant colors, dynamic lighting, magical adventure atmosphere. Repeating terms like anime style, small robot, and desert helps Midjourney maintain continuity across clips. Submit again and wait for the video to finish. For the final scene, escalate the adventure visually. Try, generate a video in anime style of a small robot walking through a huge canyon of glowing crystals. Pink, blue, and violet lights reflecting everywhere. Sparkling highlights, cinematic anime glow, mystical fantasy adventure mood. Submit and let it render. Once all 3 are ready, download the videos to your device. It helps to rename them in story order so editing is simple. Next, open CapCut and start a new project. Import the 3 clips, then arrange them from Wake Up to Discovery to the Crystal Canyon. Trim the starts and ends to remove any delays, and add gentle crossfades so the cuts feel cinematic. If a shot is too long, shorten it to keep the pace lively. A subtle color adjustment can unify brightness and warmth between scenes, and lightweight background music at a low volume adds emotion without overwhelming the visuals. Consider soft sparkles or wind ambience to match the desert and crystal vibes. When you're happy with the flow, export your project at a high resolution, and that's it. You now have a full animated video built from 3 Midjourney scenes, edited into a smooth, compelling story. Keep your prompts consistent, refine phrasing as you learn, and you'll be able to expand this into longer animated stories with ease.